Hey guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net and today we are going to do the unboxing of HiFIMan TWS600 True Wireless Stereo earphones. Now I have been using this earphone for quite some time and here are my thoughts on the same. Now some of the best features I liked about this earphones were they are really quite loud and they offer a long range. By long range I mean around 40 to 50 meters, which is not a norm for most of the Bluetooth earphones. And this also comes with Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and here some features are given such as around 38.5 hours of playback time, which you can just charge your earphones and use it. Then it also supports fast charging. Now let us just unbox the earphones and see what's inside. Now before unboxing, we have some features to the back, which is it shows the remaining battery power and the stable connectivity is up to 10 to 50 meters. Ergonomic design contoured to perfect fit. Call and music playback up to 38.5 hours. Voice assistant support for most phones. This is IP export rated, sweat and dust resistant. Top sound quality, hi-fi tradition and experience. Unboxing the pack. To the top we have the earphones and the earphone case. Taking a look at the earphone case first. So to the top it's written HiFIMan. Then to the bottom we have some regulatory information given and it opens up like this. And you can see both of the earphones get fit and here you see the battery percentage. And let's keep that to our side. To the back we have the charging port, which is a USB type C charging port. So here are the earphones. You can see they look quite good and they're really stylish too. And to just power on, you can just press this button and this gives a LED light. So you can just see it, just turn it on and this will give me an LED indication. So this looks pretty cool. Here you can see it gives me LED indication here. Here is the charging pins, so you can just plug in your case and this earphones will get charged, as this also puts fast charging. Now here is the second earphone. So you can just press this. This will also get turned on and you can see now both of the earphones will be paired together. Now you can just turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and you can just pair the same. So you can see the blinking sign means the earphone is in pairing mode now. Further inside the box you get this HiFIMan booklet in which it shows how to use your product. Then we have a card which says to make call in noisy environments, we recommend removing one earbud and holding near your mouth. This will help the call recipient to get a clearer recording of your voice so that they may hear you clearly as you can hear them. Another notice before using the TW600, TW600 features HiFIMan's topological diaphragm as an essential element in high-end earphones or headphones that requires a break-in period before maximum performance is achieved. So you should allow around 10 to 20 hours of use before evaluating the sound of the same. Then we have the ear tips, a USB type C charging cable. Thank you for your order card. Here it says how to register your warranty, so you can just pause the video and read the same. Now let me place the earphones inside the charging case. So here we go. So let me just place it. So here's the earphone. So this goes this way and this goes this way. So you can see it shows it's charging now and it shows the battery percentage left in the earphone. So you can just close it and it will get automatically charged. Now let us pair the earphones to our smartphone. You can see this is in pairing mode now and I have turned the Bluetooth on my phone and it's showing me the TWS600. Here you can see it says TWS600. Let us connect to it. And here you can see the earphone is connected and the battery is 100% charged. Now I'm playing NCS music. So these are in full sound now, these are in full volume now. So the volume is really loud on these earphones and the bass is also really good. So if you like a lot of bass music and a lot of party songs, so this will be great earphone to listen to music on, as this good a very good feel and you feel the thumping sound in your ears and the volume is also pretty loud. So we tested out the range of these earphones and we're pretty surprised that up to 45 meters we got a really good range. So at 10 meters there was no disruption, at 20 meters the connection was pretty stable, the sound was also pretty good, at 30 meters it was also fine, and at 40 meters also it was really good, the connection was stable. And when we move towards 45 46 meters the the connection was still stable, it was connected, but the music was disrupted a bit, but got around perfect connection and music till around 44 meters. Also, this gives a good noise isolation, so when you're wearing this, so mostly it cuts off most of the background noises, and there are very few minimal background noises that comes inside, but almost every of the background noise is cut off from these earphones when you are wearing this. So this gives a perfect fit in your ear, which gives you this good noise isolation. So as that was a quick unboxing and hands-on of the HiFIMan TWS600 earphones. So I'll be coming up with a full review of the same pretty soon, so you can check the description for the review link. And before that, if you want to purchase these headphones, these earphones are available to purchase online. Links to same will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.